Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool cover photo for your videos or for your photos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this white stock video background and I'm just going to freeze frame it. And I'm just going to add a text but only to the half of it. So I'm just going to actually just mask it first so it's easier to see horizontal, and I'm just going to do that. I'm also going to move the image. Actually, I'm just going to leave it because I do need the background of it. Select the white background. Actually, add in your text. That's what I meant to say. And I'm just going to add in some text here. Make sure it's in the color black. And I'm just going to adjust the font size. And I'm going to place it like this. It's fine. Burger, fast food. I'm also going to adjust the line spacing a little bit. Maybe just a little bit more. Oops, that's a little bit too much. There we go. And then I'll add one more maybe. Yummy. I don't know what to say, honestly. And then I'm just going to select all the text. I'm just going to adjust it a little bit again. Select everything with the background except for the background here. Right click, create compound clip. Then go to video, go to basic, and go to the blend mode section and select screen. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.